I am running. I am walking. I am skipping. I am jumping. I am climbing. I am playing. I am singing. I am cycling. I am swimming. I am dancing. I am building. I am drawing. I am coloring. I am writing. I am reading. I am drinking. I am eating. I am baking. I am cooking. I am washing. I am feeding the dog. I am feeding the cat. I am tying my shoes. I am combing my hair. I am brushing my teeth. I am cleaning. I am laughing. I am listening. I am whispering. I am shouting. I am crying. I am helping. I am thinking. I am marching. I am clapping. I am snapping. I am yawning. I am bending. I am pulling. I am pushing. I am shaking. I am willing. I am hugging. I am catching. I am throwing. I am dropping. I am sorting. I am cutting. I am folding. I am tearing. I am opening the door. I am folding clothes. I am fixing. I am turning on the light. I am closing the windows. I am locking the door. I am washing the dish. I am washing my hands. I am stirring the soup. I am cutting vegetables. I am pouring water. I am mopping the floor. I am dusting the furniture. I am vacuuming the carpet. I am watering the plants. I am sewing a button. I am ironing my clothes. I am digging a hole. I am raking the leaves. I am picking flowers. I am playing basketball. I am playing football. I am kicking the ball. I am catching the ball. I am playing hide and seek. I am playing tennis. I am throwing the ball. I am hitting the ball. I am sliding down the slide. I am playing on the swing. I am riding a bike. I am flying a kite. I am playing in the sand. I am playing cards. I am playing chess. I am doing a puzzles. I am exercising. I am stretching. I am doing a handstand. I am practicing yoga. I am seeking. I am sliding. I am skipping stones. I am catching butterflies. I am ice skating. I am snowboarding. I am fishing. I am feeding the birds. I am camping. I am hiking. I am climbing. I am looking for bugs. I am exploring the forest. I am eating a picnic. I am bathing. I am riding a scooter. I am spinning in circles. I am drinking lemonade. I am visiting a doctor. I am going to school. I am making a paper plane. I am listening the music. I am watching the stars. I am eating a banana. I am hugging my mom. I am watching a butterfly. I am going to the zoo. I am washing my clothes. I am walking home. I am sleepy. I am driving my toy car.